In this video, we're going to turn this into this or this. Now, this might look simpler than it actually is because Illustrator's pathfinders are pretty good at cutting things, just not open paths. And the eraser tool, on the other hand, produces a lot of messiness. So how do we do it easily and also produce a clean solution? First of all, we need a script for that. I'm going to put the link in the description. It's downloadable from Sergey on GitHub. And then you need to do certain things. So this here is just that path and this path, and that will not work. I'm going to show you. So when we do this and just run the script, I'm using scripts via the shortcut, which is Command F12 on a Mac or Control F12 on a PC. But of course, you can also install it. So let's run it. And we get this, which is the script interface. And I'm just going to run it. And we get this dialog warning. Let's go to OK and cancel this. Now, what we need to do is first combine these two into a compound path. I'm going to use the shortcut, which is Command 8 on Windows, of course, Control 8. Like this. And now we have a compound path. But that's not sufficient. The path that you want to use for cutting needs to be filled. And this is stroked. So let's just swap them. And I'm going to make this blue so we can better see that. And now let's make a copy. First of all, select these two and again run the script. And first I'm going to use the minus front. We can also keep the original filled path, the blue one, but I'm not going to do that. And then you get this one here. And then I'm going to select this. And you see they are all clean. One small exception is that anchor point. Let's check out the other one using the intersect. And again, here's the result. And again, we get a clean path here. So that's how you can do it.